Okay, students, so today we are going to learn about Kapil Dev. So this video is going to give you an overview of Kapil Dev, and it will have certain snippets from his life which is not even mentioned in the book. So I've done a little research for you. I think it should be interesting. So right at the outset, Kapil Dev, as you know, is the Haryana Hurricane, as he was called, but he was very affectionately called as Kapil Paji. He is the living legend and arguably India's best fast bowler and certainly the best all-rounder of India. In Indian cricket, nobody can mention about Indian cricket without mentioning Kapil Dev. So the full name of Kapil Dev is Kapil Dev Ram Lal Nikhanj, and he was born on 6 January 1959. So let's see what his childhood was like. Yes. So you can see a lot of pictures here on the screen, and all these images are connected with Kapil Dev. You can see right in the extreme corner, that is little Kapil Dev when he was a small boy, and just below that is his school, DAV Public School, Chandigarh, where he spent his school life initially when he was in Chandigarh. And that is Kapil Dev's picture with his mother, the tough lady that we have seen and who is behind the success of Kapil Dev, the one who supported her son right through childhood. And we've heard and we've read in the book also that he was very fond of cricket right from his childhood, and he had no demands, isn't it? He had no demands. He didn't want clothes, he didn't want food, he just wanted to play cricket. And his mother did not even give him much of money or any kind of support other than the basic necessities that were fulfilled in every family, because it was a large family and so she had to take care of everybody. So Kapil Dev actually took care of his career all on his own. He had made no demands. In fact, he's even equated to the alarm clock of the house. Every day, if anybody wanted to get up early in the morning, all they had to do was to tell Kapil Dev, and he would surely wake them up early in the morning. That's the alarm clock right in the corner for you to remind you of Kapil Dev. And the two other games other than cricket which he really liked was flying kites and playing marbles. Now this was a very common sport in those days when there were no video games. Yes. So let us move ahead from his childhood and let us see what were his achievements.
This man sitting on my left, known as Mr. Kapil Dev Nikhanj, he is one of the greatest all-rounders the world has ever produced. With his batting, he can win matches single-handed. With his bowling, he can win matches single-handed. With his fielding, he can field from fine leg to covers to long off to slips.
अपने डायरेक्टर को मैसेज कर दो कि 11,000 रुपए पैक करके दे दो.
लाइफ में देयर आर सम मोमेंट्स जो दिल में एक हमेशा वाला स्टैंप लगा देते हैं. इंडिया की स्पोर्टिंग हिस्ट्री में इट वाज इन द ईयर 1983. The moment when India's legendary captain Kapil Dev lifted the World Cup trophy in the Lord's balcony in London. ये वही स्टैंप वाला मोमेंट है हमारे लिए. It's a tale of triumph. It's a tale of underdogs becoming the world champions. The tale of the Indian team totally nailing it at Lord's. तो 25 जून 1983 ये वही दिन था when cricket made way for a new religion in our country. And today the writers of that story will tell us how it all happened. So people who are sitting with me definitely need no introduction, and I have with me legends of 1983 World Cup, Kapil Paji, Madipa and Chika. ये वर्ल्ड कप की बातें जितनी मर्जी बार सुने उतनी बार एक्साइटमेंट होती है, उतनी बार वो गूज बम्स आते हैं, उतनी बार वो मजा आता है. एंड आई एम टोटली श्योर आपको सुनाने में भी उतना ही मजा आता होगा. टेल मी समथिंग, जब पहली बार ये टीम निकल रही थी तो व्हाट वाज रनिंग थ्रू द माइंड कपिल पाजी?
थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें याद, एक्सीडेंट याद रहते हैं, कहानियाँ हर एक का अपना अपना एक होता है. मुझे ज़्यादा याद नहीं, इतना याद है कि हम एयरपोर्ट पहुँचे थे और शायद इतने कंफ्यूज थे पासपोर्ट लेके कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या होना है, कैसे जाना है. बट इट वाज इनोसेंट से हम सब पहुंच गए एयरपोर्ट पे, और किसी ने ख्वाब में भी नहीं सोचा था, खुद किसी प्लेयर ने भी, कि वापस हम ट्रॉफी लेके आएंगे। शुरुआत होती है किसी चीज़ की तो ढीली होती है, लेकिन जब खत्म हो तो बहुत मजा।
किसका मालूम हमको जीतेगा ये सेमीफाइनल कुछ पहुंचेगा, बट क्या हो गया, रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री। हमारे पास एक पागल कैप्टन था, वो बोल रहे हैं हम लोग जीतेगा वर्ल्ड कप, वेस्ट इंडीज को ये करेगा वो करेगा। एक पागल बोल रहे हैं कैप्टन का कुछ खोया, बट दैट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ कपिल देव। Frankly, the spirit of Kapil Dev won it for us. His positive energy, his will to win, the self-belief in the team, man, इनको देना चाहिए कपिल देव।
कपिल भाई, जैसे ही उन्होंने बोला कि पागल कैप्टन था एक, सडनली मेरे ना गूज़बम्स आए और मुझे लगा कि एक शायद पागलपंती की जरूरत होती है इतने बड़े काम करने के लिए।
ऐसा नहीं था, शायद मैं काफ़ी यंग भी था और थोड़ा जुनून खेलने का अलग था। हार्ट इन हार्ट अगर श्रीकांत कप्तान होता तो ये भी ऐसे ही सोचता, क्योंकि कप्तान इसीलिए बनाते हैं कि आपकी सोच सही होनी चाहिए। और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार वाई वी अंडरमाइंड आवर ओन एबिलिटी, एंड अगर आप अपने हौसले छोड़ दोगे तो जीत नहीं पाओगे। और जैसे जैसे अच्छा खेलते गए तब्दीली आती गई। इन्होंने बोला कि मैं कैप्टन था, हाफ वे थ्रू पूरी टीम पागल थी और पूरी टीम मैड थी, क्योंकि उनको लगा कि हम कर सकते हैं।
I have to tell again the audience about that very interesting match that we all probably never got to see because television would not cover such matches. But we all know about the 1983 World Cup, which Kapil had an enormous role in. But there was a test match in Lords in 1990. India were following on at 430 for 9. The English team had scored 635. The Indian team needed 24 runs to avoid a follow-on. Am I correct? You had Narendra Hirwani on the other side, who had scored 57 runs in 17 tests and had taken 62 wickets. So he had more wickets than runs. And you needed 24 runs for a follow-on avoid. And he had to face Eddie Hemmings. Eddie Hemmings bowls the first 2 balls, you play them out. And the next 4 balls, he hits them for 4 sixes. Now, that kind of amazing, as I said, first there was a liberated attitude. I mean, not many cricketers even risked hitting that ball.
Okay, so we can take a peek into his cricket career and we see his coach. The first coach was Shri Desh Prem Azad, which we heard in the video. This is not mentioned in the book, but his role model actually was Gundappa Vishwanath, G.R. Vishwanath, an amazing cricketer of his times, who was Kapil Dev's role model, and he learned a lot from both of them. Now, Kapil Dev actually began playing for Haryana at the age of 16, as we know, and he played the Ranji Trophy against Punjab in 1775-76. And he completed the double of 1,000 runs and 100 wickets in Test cricket by the age of 21. That was an incredible achievement. And he was also the youngest player to complete 2,000 runs and 200 wickets in Test cricket when he was 24. Can you imagine? Just 24, and he had so much. He had achieved so much by then. Okay, so that was Kapil Dev's achievements. These are some more of his awards. You can see right from Arjuna Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, then the 25 greatest global living legends in India by NDTV. Then the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award. There are lots of awards, so you can keep a screenshot of this. This is not mentioned in your book. This is additional information so that you have a better understanding of the living legend Kapil Dev. Yes, Kapil Dev was an all-rounder. We all know that. But this is one of his lesser known achievements. That is, he's written 3 autobiographies. He has penned 3 autobiographies. The first one was published in 1985 by God's Decree. Cricket My Style came out in 1987, and Straight from the Heart came out in 2004. So these 3 books, if you can have a look at them, you might be interested to read them also. Those who love cricket, you will learn a lot about his career, about his profession, about his personal life. Wonderful read. Now, we've all known MS Dhoni. Yes, the untold story, MS Dhoni, a biopic which was made on Dhoni. Now, Kapil Dev biopic is also coming up. 83, the historical win of 1983 World Cup by India. That is going to be shot again and by a leading director, and it was actually supposed to be released in 2020 in the first few months of the year, but due to this lockdown it got extended, and Ranveer Singh is going to play the role of Kapil Dev. You can see a lot of pictures there, and you can see that shot. I want you to have a look at that, and that is called the Nataraj shot. This is the Lord Nataraj, the pose that Lord Nataraj statue has. That is one of the styles of Kapil Dev's batting shot. You know, when he bats, he has this particular style of hitting the ball with this Nataraj style. So that is something which Ranveer Singh is also trying to master, and that is a photograph that I've got for you. So you will be able to see this pic whenever it is released. Be a good watch for all of you. Now this one is absolutely a recent pic of Kapil Dev. Yes, his new look during the lockdown. A lot of cricketers were experimenting with their hair, with their with a lot of things, with their styles, because they had a lot of time indoors during lockdown. You had seen Virat Kohli, you've seen Sachin Tendulkar. Now this was the new style which Kapil Dev. You can see that he is a very, very interesting character. From this, you can make out that he was not only a good cricketer, but he had a lot of style, and he was very experimentative. He was very unorthodox, like it was written in your book. He is a very, very unorthodox person, and that's why he experimented with a lot of things, and that is probably the secret of his success. So students, if you really want to achieve something, if you really want to be the best, if you want to be to have an edge over the others, then you will have to experiment. You will have to be daring. You will have to be unorthodox. You will have to defy all the rules, and you will have to make new rules probably. Okay, so for that, you will also have to invest in your capabilities. You will have to work hard. Like Kapil Dev did, he was a very, very hard-working, sheer hard work and labor and a lot of talent was what has made Kapil Dev. Okay? So I hope you like this video, students. It has a lot of interesting information, and it will give you a kind of an overview of Kapil Dev.